Hello, my country people. I don't know when this message go meet you. Whether na for morning e meet you, abi na for afternoon o, abi na for evening e meet you. I greet you by the time when this message meet you. I hope say una dey well. Now wetin be my hope and prayers for una. Una say make everybody dey well. As we dey struggle, make God dey give us strength. Make we dey keep the struggle for our families, because na the only thing wey we fit do for them be this. Now this story when I bring now na story wey be say I want chook mouth inside. Na about our men. Oga, you wey be say as you dey like this, you go dey come home every day, come home every day, come home every day. Early you don't come home, early you don't come home. When you come home, you go dey come sober, like say your life don't change, like say things don't dey better for your side. But the moment they pay you salary, nobody go see you around your neighborhood until 12 midnight. Nobody go see you around where you dey stay until 12 midnight. Now for beer parlor, now you go remain. Now there you go remain. The whole money go there. 70% of the money where they pay you, na side chick go eat them. 10% na him be the one wey go come house. Then na 20% go dey for your pocket. When the money don't finish, you go begin the vex for everybody. You go vex, you go dey frown face, you no go care for your family and all that. Oga, you need to know say family where you get na him be your biggest investment for this world. Nobody go love you past your own children, your own family. See, when we dey raise children, we suppose they know say na seed we dey plant, seed when we go harvest tomorrow. I don't stay like this. See parents where they talk say pikin no dey take care of them, pikin no dey take care of them. When people talk about bringing value, say may you bring value to your family. Not be only to dey pay children school fees, so not be only to dey provide food. One of the best values when you go bring na to dey spend time with your children. When you come back from work, I know say work na him be man thing, because they make sure say make everything dey okay for house. You come back from work, you spend time with your children. Make your children know you, make you know them. Make you know wetin dey happen for their school. Make you know how they do for school. Whether they do well or whether they know they do well, you go know. I know some papa be like this wey be say you ask them which class your pikin dey, him go dey tell you if he dey primary 4, if he dey primary 5, if he dey primary 6. You know the shame. You know the shame say you no even know the class where your pikin dey, and you call yourself papa. Which kind papa na him you come be? Some of una dey carry excuse say my father be no dey there to take care of me, my own mother be no dey there to take care of me. Me sef I dey try say I dey give money before they know they give money. You want to be bad? You want to improve from better to worse? You go try better pass wetin your father been be. Now wetin be our own prayers for our children? Say make our children even better pass us. Now him we dey pray. You go bring value to your life, to your children, to your family. As a man, you go want know wetin dey happen for house. You go no want know wetin dey happen for your family. Some of una don't stay na beer parlor na him get una. Na to dey waka na for woman house you dey sleep. Woman house you dey sleep. When they ask you wetin happen, say your wife na nag. The grandma nag na him every man know now. It too dey nag, it too dey nag. You don't find out wetin dey make the woman nag. Woman they dey frustrated if they know they see you. They dey frustrated if they know say you they get, you know they even try say wetin you get make you give to them. Some of una don't come turn una wives to thieves for house. Woman go know where you put money for pocket. Him go steal the money, because if they ask you, you no go give. Me, I no talk say that thing good, but me I dey talk say you two will be papa, you two will be husband. You go dey try. How many men you una don't see for hospital wey be saying na side chick they follow am up and down? They know they. When the thing holla, now wife they follow, now wife they carry, now wife they carry poo, now wife they carry wee, now wife they carry everything. But when time reach where be say wife supposed they enjoy what is supposed to enjoy, when I know they give. Some of una go get money for pocket. If woman say, help me now, make I buy one high target for 5,000, make I go attend my friend pikin wedding. You go say you no get. But that very weekend, if side chick say book ticket for me, I go attend wedding for Ibadan, you go book ticket for them. With that your money. You know they think say that kind thing, you know they sleep reason and say they like you they do like say na person wey be say they don't dey follow from your village. Woman wey don give you children dey house. If he ask you for something you no get, side chick ask you, na you go give. Wetin you dey chop for side chick body wey you never chop for your wife? No be the same chop you chop when you take born all those children wey right now they ask you for something you say you no get, they ask you for something you say you no get, but everything na for side chick e dey go. You go bring value to your home. You go live the way when be say your children sef go see say my father dey responsible. And tomorrow they go turn back, they go look you, they go say, ah, this is my father. My father used to try. No be say everything na for palm wine joint, everything na for brukutu joint, everything na for beer, parlor, na im dey finish. Side chick, family, nothing. When you go side chick house, you go remember say for evening that they bath, put roll-on, put perfume, come, brush mouth, come sleep for bed. But when you come for your own house, you don't chop from morning till night. You chop bitter cola. You don't chop akpu. You don't chop egusi. You don't chop everything when they for street. You chop and put for that mouth. Night come, you go sleep with that poto mouth like that. For midnight, you go turn, carry the mouth, won't give your wife. When your wife say, I no want, he say, hey, they deny me. They deny me. No, they agree I touch am. No, they agree I kiss am. But when you go reach side chick place, now you go know say that they brush mouth for night before they sleep. E good. Some of una, now wetin una dey do na say make una just set una wives up for failure. Wetin be this thing wey dey worry us now wey be say we no dey fit stay for our marriage. We no dey fit tolerate each other. We no dey fit know say nobody dey complete. We as I dey, na so my wife dey. I get fault, she get fault. May we dey manage each other, dey love each other. May love cover the fault. Wife go sleep for night, clean herself up, clean everywhere, make so that when my husband come, make him enjoy me. No be say he go put nose for armpit go dey smell like gutter. He go put nose here, mouth dey smell like gutter. You when be say you be man, you go come. Men, una dey sabi do that thing. You go come carry mouth where you don't chop since morning. You no go gree brush. You go carry and go near your wife. Your wife say, I no fit do that kind thing. Now you go say, don't deny me. You go call family. You go shout everything. No be they set the woman up for failure. So you when you go side chick house, you know say that they brush mouth before they sleep. If you brush mouth before you sleep with your wife, it bad. It no bad. You too, you go they try. You go come home, you go they insult your wife. You go come home, you go say na good for nothing woman. You go come home, some men, the way that they even treat women, know they good. You want respect, you want love. How woman go give you respect, give you love when be say you they treat her like say na animal? When be say they treat her like no be you carry your money, go marry the woman, come put for your house. It no good like this. You two will be human being. Everybody where they this world, they know what that they do way no good. You two, you go reevaluate yourself. You go check yourself first now and see the side when you they do where be say it they pain the woman. Make you begin the dropper. You need to know say your wife now your wife. Now your wife go there for you on a rainy day. Now your wife go there for you when things they bad for you. Women no bad as when they think say they be. When you dey treat woman bad, she no go respect you, she no go see you as anything. But when you dey show her love, some women they go want die for you because they know say you don't show them love, you don't dey there for them. No be say you go dey waka because other men they talk badly about their wife. You too, you go dey put mouth. You go dey make your mind dey spoil towards your own wife. Your wife no be their wife. Your wife they different. You go treat them the way when you want her make she treat you. You to make una men make una dey put head for house. Try sacrifice for una families. Make you know say na that one be the one wey be say you truly get. All this one wey they do, my friends, my this night go come, weekend go come, you go abandon your wife, you no go care, you go hang out with your friends, hang out. Go stay there, they drink, they wine, they marry together. You don't abandon wife, you don't abandon children. House go dey dark, house go dey cold, woman go feel so miserable. All these friends, how many of una be say something happen like this, you see friend wey stand, they go disappear, they go tell you about their own problems. Who they stand no be una wives? Why you no go get sense? You no go receive sense. No say the only investment wey you get na your wife and your children and your family. You go take care of your families. Make sure say they get shelter. If you get money, think about their shelter, think about their education, think about their healthcare, think about wetin they go eat. Build them so that they go always remember say, my father been do well for me. Make una receive sense, abeg. Make una dey take care of una families. Na family, na it be the biggest investment wey we fit get for this world. Oga, abeg, your family should be your #1 priority. First, before any other thing, your wife and your children. Abeg, take care of your family, take care of your own parents. Abeg. Thank you. Say you can't take time dey listen to wetin I dey talk. Now for us, this channel now for us. I beg now all of us get this channel. If you like this channel, I beg make you subscribe to this channel and make you use your hand press that notification bell when they there so that when I upload new video, now you go be the first person we go receive am. I beg make una join hand when we grow this channel. Una thank you so much. Thank you. Now your girl AB Obuki. Na my name come be. Thank you.